All right, good morning, business communicators. Instructions for week 7. We are tackling chapter 7 this week. Please read chapter 7, watch the chapter talk, and take the corresponding quiz. Additionally, you have your chapter 7 APLIA assignment. Those are the only 3 assessments over chapter 7, as your second exam has been assigned this week. Exam number 2 is worth 80 points. And it is split into 2 parts, okay? So part 1 is simply a multiple choice 30-point 15 question exam. This is going to feel just like your first exam except shorter. Again, that's 15 multiple choice questions worth 2 points each. You will open this link and embedded in instructions, you will see the code needed to access the exam. There's a 60-minute time limit and you get 1 attempt. Exam part 2. Again, this is worth 50 points. This is the bulk of the second exam. What you're going to do for this is submit a direct claim letter using block business format, okay? And here's the good news. You can use the direct claim scenario you submitted last week as part of your coursework. You used the scenario in the book, The Door Fell Short. You then built a direct claim letter and then you edited it, finessed it into block letter format. So you may use that exact direct claim letter for part 2 of the exam. But I want to make sure that the format, the wording, the strategy is flawless, okay? So please go back and refresh, redo that letter before you submit it as part 2 of your exam. Okay, please be sure to include the following. Subject line, make sure that that is specific, it's time-stamped or dated. It clearly indicates what you are asking for. The opening then, okay, that's your first paragraph. That should instantly inform the reader what you are asking for. Again, it is a direct claim. The body then explains your ask with logic and reasoning, where you provide the data, the support, the receipt, to justify that ask. The close reiterates what you are asking, and as always, we want to ensure future business, okay? Other requirements for part 2 of the exam. Make sure your letter follows block format. So go back to the assignment last week, run through that checklist. All of the elements are in there. I indicated refer to video from week 7, but also go back to the instructions embedded in that block business format letter you submitted. Make sure it is edited for correct spelling, grammar, and then, of course, for brevity. Less is more in direct claim letters. Make sure that you have removed all unnecessary words. Then you will simply launch the tool. You will submit via Turnitin and attach your document there. Please submit in a Word document. Okay, so again, 2 parts of the exam. Part 1 is simply 15 multiple choice questions worth 30 points. The passcode to enter that exam is in instructions under part 1. Part 2 is your direct claim in block business letter format. Okay, please be in touch with any questions. Have a great week.